Alright, this is a quick and nasty G935, Logitech G935 headphones switch fixer-uppering. Alright, so to get in here, let's just do this real quick. We're going to take out screws from out of here to get the speaker off. I'm going to be careful because it's connected like that to this board. So this is also kind of in there. There's only 2 screws, 2 tiny, this is my little screw collection. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws to take the speaker out, and then 2 tiny little screws. Figure it out, alright? Because the tricky part is the actual switch itself. Now I've already detached this little metal bit that's on the out front. So that bit, the metal bit, I use my tweezers and just kind of gently flicked. Just kind of gently flicked it up a bit. And then this is the actual switch itself, where we can see the contacts are so tiny. What a flimsy piece of garbage. I mean, what were they thinking? And then revealing the actual contact pads. Now it's that, God, this is really yeah, there you go, you can really see it there. They're a bit they're dusty and corroded. Wow, it looks a lot worse on camera. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my isopropyl alcohol and my toilet paper. So I've got my little bit of tissue paper, and I'm going to spray some of the isopropyl alcohol on it and give it a very gentle little wipe. I'm going to keep going at this until it's there's no doubt in my mind. What else have we got in here? Don't forget to not lose your wheel. And try and remember which way is on and off on this thing, because I think I've forgotten. But we can work it out. It's not too difficult. On the thing here, you know, it's pushed forward to turn on, back to turn off. So if we go back like that, so down this way. So when I have it like this, off is to the left and on is to the right. When looking at it like this, I'll make sure. There we go, and we're over in the far left there. Pretty confident about that being the off switch. I probably should have taken the battery out before. And this seems to put some kind of downward pressure on the switch using this little kind of bump here. Oh shit, yeah, it's turning itself on there. Saw that. Now when we've pulled this out, we've kind of applied a bit of pressure. So I'm just gonna not think about it too much. Just kind of get it just because we've squished it a bunch, you know, so we've decreased the tension. Okay, yep, that's doing it. That's staying on. Yeah, you can see maybe, yeah, the clip's kind of not bent out a bit. So, oh yeah, that clicked. And I'm just going to try and push it back together a bit. Oh, that felt pretty good. Yeah, that felt pretty solid. Sorry, just so to get it back in, I've put the wheel onto the board and then the board into the headset, carefully clipping here and here. Then I've slotted in the button and switch cover thing, being very careful of where the button sits here. And they link into each other. God, I still can't, every time I look at this, I just can't get over it. Then I've put my screws back in to attach, to keep the buttons in. So one there and one here. Now we're going to put the speaker back on. I'm just going to do something about that wire. 2 hands. And then screw it back on. And pop the cover back on. Highly recommend doing this, by the way. Get rid of that pleather bullshit. And put some nice ones on. Just get some cheap ones off eBay. Of the fabric ones. Cheers.